Welcome to my YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered how AI can create viral motivational shorts? It's a fascinating question indeed, and one that holds the key to a new era of content creation. Artificial intelligence, or AI as it's more commonly known, is no longer a far-off concept or a sci-fi movie plot. It's here, and it's already playing a significant role in numerous fields. From healthcare to finance, and even our daily personal lives, AI is revolutionizing how we approach problems and tasks. But today we're going to focus on one area where AI is making waves: content creation. Yes, you heard that right. AI is now capable of creating motivational shorts that have the potential to go viral. Now you might ask, why AI? What's so special about it? Well, let me tell you, AI offers several benefits that make it an attractive tool for content creators. Firstly, AI can save you a considerable amount of time. We all know that creating high-quality content can be time-consuming. From brainstorming ideas to finally crafting the perfect message, it's a process that requires patience and dedication. But with AI, you can automate several aspects of this process, allowing you to focus on other important tasks. Secondly, AI brings efficiency to the table. It can analyze data, learn from it, and make predictions or decisions based on that learning. This means that AI can help you create content that is more likely to engage your audience and go viral. Lastly, AI can help produce high-quality content. With the ability to analyze and learn from a vast amount of data, AI can generate content that is not only captivating but also meaningful and relevant. So you see, AI is not just a buzzword, it's a powerful tool that can help you create viral motivational shorts and take your content creation to the next level. Now, you might be curious about how this process of creating viral motivational shorts with AI actually works. So without further ado, let's delve into it. Creating motivational shorts with AI involves a few simple steps. First off, let's talk about choosing a topic. The topic is the heart of your motivational short. It's the message you want to share, the fuel for your fire. Now, the beauty of motivational content is that it can be about virtually anything. It could be about overcoming adversity, pursuing dreams, or simply finding joy in everyday life. The key is to choose a topic that you're passionate about, because passion is infectious. It's what grabs people's attention and keeps them watching. So ask yourself, what are you passionate about? What message do you want to share with the world? Once you have your topic, the next step is selecting an AI tool. There are many AI tools out there, each with their own strengths and specialties. Some are designed for speech generation, others for video editing, and others for creating captivating visuals. Take some time to research and experiment with different tools to find the one that best suits your needs. Remember, the goal is not to find the most advanced or expensive tool, but the one that allows you to convey your message in the most effective way. Now let's move on to one of the most crucial steps: feeding the AI with relevant data. This step is all about providing the AI with the necessary information to create your motivational short. This could include scripts, images, music, and any other elements you want to include in your short. The more specific and detailed your data, the better the AI will be able to understand and execute your vision. Think of it as teaching a student. The more information and guidance you provide, the better they will perform. Now, this step might seem a bit daunting, but don't worry, most AI tools come with tutorials and user-friendly interfaces that guide you through the process. And remember, it's okay to make mistakes. That's how we learn. So don't be afraid to experiment and try different things. You might be surprised at what you can create. Finally, we come to the last step: publishing and sharing your motivational short. Once the AI has created your short, it's time to share it with the world. There are many platforms you can use to publish your content, such as YouTube, Instagram, or your own personal website. Choose the platform that best reaches your target audience and aligns with your goals. And remember, sharing is not just about reaching as many people as possible, but about reaching the right people, those who will be moved by your message and inspired to take action. But wait, there's one more thing. After you've published your short, don't forget to engage with your audience, respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage discussion. This interaction is what turns viewers into a community, and a community is what fuels the growth and success of your content. Remember, the key to creating successful motivational shorts is to understand your audience and choose a topic that resonates with them. So, take some time to understand your audience, choose a topic that matters, select the right AI tool, feed it with detailed data, and share your creation with the world, and most importantly, have fun with it. Because when you're having fun, your audience will too, and that, my friends, is how you create motivational shorts with AI. Now that we've discussed the process, let's summarize the key points. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and its transformative power in content creation, specifically in crafting motivational shorts. In this digital age, leveraging AI's capabilities is no longer an option, but rather a necessity. AI allows us to generate content that is not just inspiring, but also tailored to resonate with a specific audience. This is achieved through its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, understand patterns, and predict audience preferences. We've delved into the steps involved in creating motivational shorts with AI. It all begins with defining your purpose and your target audience. This sets the tone and direction for your content. Then you'll need to choose the right AI tools. These tools, equipped with advanced algorithms, can help you generate compelling scripts, select appropriate images and music, and even edit your videos to perfection. Remember, the beauty of AI lies in its capacity to learn and improve. As you continue to use these tools, they'll get better at understanding your style and your audience's preferences. This means your content will continually evolve and improve over time. Understanding your audience cannot be overstated. AI can provide insights, but it's up to you to interpret them and create content that truly connects with your audience. So keep your finger on the pulse of your viewers' interests and preferences. This will enable you to create content that not only motivates, but also captivates and goes viral. Now it's your turn. We encourage you to explore the world of AI tools available for content creation. Start crafting your own motivational shorts. Experiment, learn, and grow. Remember, the path to success is paved with trial and error, so don't be afraid to make mistakes. With AI, the power to create viral motivational shorts is right at your fingertips. Before we wrap up, here's a thought to ponder. This digital age we're living in is ever evolving, and with it, the ways we create and consume content are changing rapidly. AI, or artificial intelligence, is playing a pivotal role in this transformation. It's time to embrace this change and incorporate AI into your content creation process. Start by experimenting. Try out different AI tools, play around with their features, and see the results for yourself. The beauty of AI is that it's constantly learning and improving, much like us content creators. And just imagine the possibilities, creating viral, motivational shorts with minimal effort and maximum impact. Got an AI tool you've been using, or perhaps you've just started your AI journey? We invite you to share your experiences, your successes, and even your challenges in the comments section. We're all here to learn and grow together. Remember, the future of content creation lies in the power of AI, so don't be left behind. Start your journey today by creating all your AI videos with InVideo AI. Check the video description to get the link for InVideo AI. Kindly like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.